Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can let the machine know that you're using a water filter and also activate it on a Delonghi Magnifica Start. So you can see that this water container has a filter, this one doesn't. Whether you use one or you don't use one, you have to let the machine know. So by default, the machine will have it set up where you're not using a filter. But if you've gone out and you've bought yourself a filter, then you need to let the machine know and activate it. That's what I'm going to show you how to do in this video. So you can see we're putting in the one with the water filter. And obviously when you put your water filter in, you're going to have to fill it with water and get the air bubbles out, etc. But this is the part where I'm going to show you how to let the machine know and then activate it. So we're going to have to go into the settings menu. So we're going to hold down this gear icon here for 5 seconds. You can see that the machine is on and ready to use. So I'm going to hold this down now. Still holding. And there you go. You can see now that these lights have come up and the settings light is flashing. We now need to tap this button just here. And right now you can see that this is lit up. That means that the machine thinks there is no water filter. If we were to hit the beans here, when these 3 light up, it's letting the machine know that there is a water filter. So this means there is a water filter. This means there isn't a water filter. So tap between them. That's by default. If you haven't got one, that's where you have got one. So we're going to leave it there. Now we're going to tap this button here. And it's just going to tell us here that we need to activate. Can you see we have a little red flashing light here? So we have to activate the filter. So to stop a load of splashing, and because a lot of water's come out, I'm putting in a massive Pyrex jug here. And I'm going to turn this on. Let it do its thing. It's going to basically automatically turn itself off. And then this will start flashing. We can then put it back to 0 and that will be the filter activated. There we go. So it's beeps. You can see it's flashing now. And now I'm going to turn this off here. And there you go, you can see the lights have gone out. But that did take about half a pint of water, so about 300 millilitres. So make sure you have a big container to catch it in there. So that's it. That is how you let the machine know that you've got a filter installed and also how to activate it. Now, if you want to double check to see that it is now recognised as a filter, we're going to hold down this button here. We're going to hit this button, and can you see now the 3 lights are lit up here? Yeah. So now you can see that the procedure has worked. Just tap that to go back to normal. So that is it. Your machine is now ready to work as normal, but this time you've got a water filter installed and also the machine knows a water filter is installed. Thanks for watching.